Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 17, number 10. Then, in a counter attack, the Muslim dash the enemy line. A. Broke, B. Destroyed, C. Followed, D. Controlled. Number 11. Hazrat Dash Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, a uncle of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, fell fighting. A. Abbas, B. Abu Talib, C. Hamza, D. Abdullah. Number 12. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was dash, left, wounded, C. Called, D. Deserted. Number 13. Ali fell upon the enemy like a dash. A. Lion, B. Storm, C. Thunderbolt, B. Bomb. Number 14. Abu Sufyan commanded the Quraysh to return to dash. A. Taif, B. Mecca, C. Reeth, D. Jeddah. Number 15. The Muslim learnt a lesson that they would never dash the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in future. A. Refuse, B. Leave, C. Disobey, D. Overrule. Number 16. Barren means A. Dry, B. Deserted, C. Uncultivated, D. Without growth. Number 17. Cumbered means A. Parallel, B. Strike, C. Fight, D. Collision. Number 18. Difference means dash. A. Contest, B. Fight, C. Quarrel, D. Submission. Page number 18. Correct answer. Number 1. Badr. Number 2. 3000. Number C. Number 3. Abu Sufyan. Number 4. Escopade. Number 5. 1000. Number 6. 300. Number 7. Abdullah bin Abay. Number 8. Duel. Number 9. Charged. Number 10. Broke. Number 11. Hamza. Number 12. Wounded. Number 13. Thunderbolt. Number 14. Makkah. Number 15. Disobey. Number 16. Deserted. Number 17. Fight. Number 18. Submission. Chapter number 6. Lincoln Gargo. Number 8. I had been following the path of the future railway station for dash kilometers. A. 30, B. 40, C. 50, D. 60. Number 2. Entering Lincoln Gorge, my irritation. A. Increased, B. Developed, C. Moved, D. Advanced. Number 3. Construction in the gorge was very dash. A. Easy, B. Difficult, C. Busy, D. Fast. Number 4. Hungry, cold, I tripped and dash. A. Slept, B. Moved, C. Stopped, D. Fell. Number 5. I was liable to fall into some deep dash. A. Pit, B. Ravine, C. Ditch, D. Hole. Number 6. I noticed a dash leading to a cave. A. Door, B. Way, C. Road, D. Path. Number 7. Seated on small dash in the doorway was a boy. A. Chair, B. Stool, C. Floor, D. Table. Page number 19. Number 8. The boy glanced at me dash. A. Sharp eye, B. Quickly, C. Slowly, D. Briefly. Number 9. The cave was large but quite dash. A. Cold, B. Warm, C. Dark, D. Bright. Number 10. The name of the baby girl was A. Pao Chang, B. Seo Chang, C. Mano Chang, D. Rio Chang. Number 11. The name of the boy was dash. A. Rang you, B. Cheng you, C. Mang you, D. Tang you. Number 12. He did not even dash to look at me. A. Try, B. Think, C. Brother, D. Decide. Number 13. The boy looked at me dash for a moment. A. Willingly, B. Dreamingly, C. Calmly, D. Boldly. Number 14. Azeh means dash. A. Foggy, B. Lazy, C. Cloudly, D. Cold. Correct answer. Number 1 40. Number 2 increased. Number 3 busy. Number 4 fell. Number 5 rewind. Number 6 path. Number 7 stool. Number 8 briefly. Number 9 warm. Number 10 pouching. Number 11 Chengyu. Number 12 brother. Number 13 dreamingly. Number 14 foggy. Number 15 devil. Page number 20. Chapter number 7 determination. Number 1 John Roebling was an dash. A doctor, B engineer, C mechanic, D speaker. Number 2 John Roebling wanted to build a spectacular dash. A bridge, B building, C tower, D flower over. Number 3 the name of John Roebling's son was dash. A Martin, B Bush, C Washington, D Marker. Number 4 it is a foolish to choose world dash. A dreams, B visions, C thoughts, D interest. Number 5 Washington was never dash. A afraid, B deserted, C discouraged, D disappointed. Number 6 his friends were too dash by the task. A afraid, B disgusted, C disappointed, D daunted. Number 7 he tried to make best use of his dash. A arm, B hand, C finger, D eye. Number 8 Washington tapped out his instruction for dash years. A 10, B 11, C 12, D 13. Number 9 spectacular bridge is a dash to the engineers. A reward, B tribute, C blessing, D success. Number 10 breeze means dash. A light wind, B air, C wild mind, D blow of air. Page number 21. 11. Number 11 adness means dash. A fastness, B rashness, C hotness, D ruggedness. Number 12 tribute means dash. A reward, B success, C gift, D wish. Correct answer. Number 1 engineer. Number 2 bridge. Number 3 Washington. Number 4 visions. Number 5 discouraged. Number 6 daunted. Number 7 finger. Number 8 13. Number 9 tribute. Number 10 light wind. Number 11 rashness. Number 12 gift. Chapter number 8 the man who planted trees. Number 8 about dash years ago I was taking a long trip on foot over mountain heights. A 20, B 30, C 40, D 50. Number 2 I camped never a belonged. A village, B town, C city, D habitation. Number 3, A ruined, B destroyed, C graved, D wasted. Number 4, it was a fine dash day, brilliant with sunlight. A April, B May, C June, D July. Number 5, after dash hours walking, I had not still found water. A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. Number 6, dash sheep were lying about him on the baking earth. A 20, B 30, C 40, D 50. Page number 22. Number 7, he was dash shaved. A clearly, B briefly, C happily, D warmly. Number 8, I was dash familiar with the nature of the Bear villages. A completely, B perfectly, C fastly, D clearly. Number 9, he was not interested in dash whose land it was. A looking, B finding, C noticing, D seeing. Number 10, the name of the shepherd was dash. A lizard bigger, B William, C Richard, D Keats. Number 11, he was now dash the reproduction of beech trees. A reading, B studying, C writing, D considering. Number 12, I saw a lizard puffer for the last time in Jam of. A 1942, B 1943, C 1944, D 1945. Number 13, I am convinced that in spite of everything humanity is dash. A good, B suitable, C interesting, D unbearable. Number 14, for city means dash rudeness, B richness, C cruelty, D wildness. Number 15, Ganah means A to cut, B to look, C to bite, D to think. Correct answer A 40. Number 2, village. Number 3, graved. Number 4, June. Number 5, 5, 6, 30. Number 7, clearly. Number 8, briefly. Number 9, finding. Number 10, lizard buffer. Number 11, studying. Number 12, 1945. Number 13, admirable. Number 14, cruelty. नंबर 15, टू बाइट।
अजीज़ तलबा, ये ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग आपके लिए ह्यूमैनिटेरियन डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एबटाबाद के ज़रिए एहतमाम की गई। ह्यूमैनिटेरियन डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एबटाबाद 2011 से अपनी मदद आपके तहत सेहत, तालीम और मुआशी खुदमुख्तारी के शोबों में बेहतरी के लिए कोशां है। इदारा ने न सिर्फ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा बल्कि मुल्क भर के नाबीना तलबा की तालीमी मुश्किलात और रुकावटों को दूर करने के लिए एफ़एता मास्टर्स लेवल की निसाबी कुतुब और कोर्सेज, जिनमें इलामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के कोर्सेज भी शामिल हैं, को ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में मुंतकिल करने का एहतमाम किया है, ताकि नाबीना तलबा आला तालीम तक रसाई हासिल करके मुल्क कौम की तरक्की और खुशहाली में अपना भरपूर किरदार अदा कर सकें। ये तमाम ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स नाबीना तलबा को बिल्कुल मुफ्त फराम की जा रही हैं। नाबीना तलबा के अलावा दीगर तलबा भी इस तालीमी सहूलत से इस्तिफादा कर सकते हैं। ह्यूमैनिटेरियन डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एबटाबाद, ईमेल hdoatd@gmail.com, वेबसाइट hdorg.net, राब्ता नंबर 03459541-838 यानी 0345 9541 838।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पेज नंबर 26 जारी है। चैप्टर 11 आर्कियोलॉजिकल ट्रेजर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। नंबर 1, आर्कियोलॉजिकल ट्रेजर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज़ बीन रिटन बाय डैश ए C.S. Lewis, B. Albert Friedman, C. Carl Tucker, D. J.K. Jerome. Number 2, as sometimes happiness dash mountains and remains have suffered from neglect. A. Valuable, B. Important, C. Costly, D. Wonderful. Number 3, the best known of all Pakistan's archaeological is that of dash. A. Gandhara, B. Texla, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Banbor. Number 4, the name of city which is about 30 miles northwest of Rawalpindi is dash. A. Multan, B. Peshawar, C. Texla, D. Charsada. Number 5, dash set up the Mauryan Empire in India. A. Ashoka, B. Kanishka, C. Bindusar, D. Chandragupta. Number 6, Gandhara is the name of the area around dash. A. Kabul, B. Lahore, C. Islamabad, D. Peshawar. Number 7, the sites which form part of Mohenjo-daro are referred in as the Dash Valley civilization. A. Koisar, B. Indus, C. Potwar, D. Gandhara. Number 8, Mohenjo-daro is about 60 miles from dash. A. Peshawar, B. Lahore, C. Sakhar, D. Karachi. Number 9, Raja Dair was Muhammad bin Qasim's dash. A. Adversary, B. Friend, C. Commander, D. Advisor. Page number 28. Number 10, the celebrated tilt mosque and tombs of dash area poorly Iranian. A. Lahore, B. Peshawar, C. Multan, D. Thata. Number 11, in the east of dash, Buddhist seals of the 7th and 8th century AD have been discovered. A. Karachi, B. Hyderabad, C. Sakkar, D. Multan. Number 12, even more recent and of great interest of Pakistan is the work done at dash. A. Texla, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Harappa, D. Bambor. Number 13, most of the visitors to dash will wish to see the old city, the fort and Badshahi Mosque. A. Rawalpindi, B. Lahore, C. Karachi, D. Peshawar. Number 14, when they became emperor and adopted the name dash, he built to tomb over her burial place. A. Alamgir, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Azam. Correct answer Albert Friedman. Number 2, valuable. Number 3, Texla. Number 4, Texla. Number 5, Chandragupta. Number 6, Peshawar. Number 7, Indus. Number 8, Sakhar. Number 9, Adversary. Number 10, Thata. Number 11, Hyderabad. Number 12, Bambor. Number 13, Lahore. Number 14, Jahangir. Page number 29, chapter number 12, The Renaissance. Number 1, the Renaissance has been written by dash. A. W.S. Churchill, B. Grace Cavarella and Angelo Calendra. C. J.K. Jerome. D. Carl Tucker. Number 2. The Russian period was our rebirth of human desire to dash. A. Explore. B. Invent. C. Work. D. Search. Number 3. The roots of Russians lay in the dash worlds of Greece and Rome. A. Old. B. Ancient. C. Past. D. Present. Number 4. By the end of 13th century, the last of the dash in the Middle East was over. A. Civil war. B. Crusades. C. Skirmishes. D. Battles. Number 5. The Christians had lost their dash against the Arab Muslims. A. Stand. B. Positions. C. Struggle. D. Attempt. Number 6. Merchants and traders were the dash of the 14th century. A. Organizers. B. Entrepreneurs. C. Capitalists. D. Inheritors. Number 7. Knights did not always return to their dash. A. Lands. B. Past. C. Houses. D. Offices. Page number 13. Number 8. Most of the luxuries came from the dash. A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Middle East. D. Africa. Number 9. The people of dash were also the inheritors of the skill and knowledge of the old Roman Empire. A. Italy. B. France. C. China. D. Pakistan. Number 10. Florence in the dash century was marvelous. A. 12th. B. 13th. C. 14th. D. 15th. Number 11. Are flourished from the cities dash. A. Agriculture. B. Industry. C. Profits. D. Trade. Number 12. After the collapse of the Roman Empire, the life was dash. A. Hard. B. Easy. C. Busy. D. Miserable. Number 13. Marco Polo brought back to Italy tales of his adventures in dash. A. China. B. India. C. America. D. France. Number 14. Humanism had a great impact on art and dash. A. Culture. B. Agriculture. C. Architecture. D. Horticulture. Number 15. Italy was a collection of dash states and kingdoms. A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 15. Page number 31. Number 16. Artists experienced and began to paint in dimensional style. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Correct answer. Number 1. Grace Cavarella and Angelo Calendra. Number 2. Explore. Number 3. Ancient. Number 4. Crusades. Number 5. Struggle. Number 6. Entrepreneur. Number 7. Land. Number 8. Middle East. Number 9. Italy. Number 10. 15th. Number 11. Prophets. Number 12. Art. Number 13. China. Number 14. Architecture. Number 15. 14. Number 16. 3. Chapter number 13. The Merchant of Venus. Number 1. Shylock the Jew lived in dash. A. London. B. Venus. C. Paris. D. Tokyo. Number 2. Shylock was a dash man. A. Kind. B. Generous. C. Hard-hearted. D. Wise. Number 3. Shylock was not liked by dash. A. Antonio. B. Martin. C. Guest. D. Broke. Number 4. Shylock hated dash. A. Arthur. B. Julius. C. Antony. D. Antonia. Number 5. Antonia was a dash merchant. A. Wise. B. Generous. C. Kind. D. Hard. Number 6. The name of Antonia's merciless and dearest friend was dash. A. Bassanio. D. Romanio. C. Sertanio. D. Mirenio.
Dear students, this audio recording has been done for you by Humanitarian Development Organization, Abbottabad. HDO is striving hard to bring positive change in sectors of health, education, and livelihood since 2011, non-funded and purely on self-help basis. Organization has not only converted the textbooks of KPK into audio form, but also of the whole country from FA to master's level, including courses of Allama Iqbal Open University. The core objective of this educational campaign is to enable visually challenged students to continue their studies up to the higher levels and play their positive role in the prosperity of their nation and country. These all recordings are being provided totally free of cost to visually challenged students. Other students rather than visually challenged students can also get benefit of this educational convenience. Humanitarian Development Organization, Abbottabad. Email hdoatd@gmail.com. Website hdorg.net. Contact 0345 9541 838.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 32. Number 7. Antonia had no money to dash his friend at that time. A. Help. B. Lend. C. Give. D. Favor. Number 8. Bassanio wished to marry A. Elizabeth. B. Portia. C. Mary. D. Ramia. Number 9. Portia lived at dash near Venus. A. Belmont. B. Darjeeling. C. Martinia. D. Beijing. Number 10. Portia to accept Bassanio was her husband. A. Agreed. B. Wished. C. Consented. D. Decided. Number 11. The day of payment being dash. A. Passed. B. Gone. C. Delayed. D. Missed. Number 12. The Duke dash Antonia. A. Released. B. Talked. C. Arrested. D. Motions. Number 13. Adieu means dash. A. Farewell. B. Situations. C. Situations. D. Nation. Number 14. Awful means dash. A. Arrival. B. Terrible. C. Dreadful. D. Notable. Number 15. Musing means dash. A. Speaking. B. Talking. C. Thinking. D. Meeting. Page number 33. Correct answer. Number 1 Venus. Number 2 Ardent. Number 3 Antonia. Number 4 Antonio. Number 5 Generous. Number 6 Bassanio. Number 7 Land. Number 8 Portia. Number 9 Belmont. Number 10 Consented. Number 11 Passed. Number 12 Released. Number 13 Farewell. Number 14 Terrible. Number 15 Thinking. Chapter number 14 King Lear. Number 1 Lear the king of Britain had dash daughter. A1, B2, C3, D4. Number 2. Goneril was the wife of Duke of Dash. A. Albany, B. Cornwall, C. Monwall, D. Tenwall. Number 3. Regent was the wife of the Duke of Dash. A. Jawal, B. Cornwall, C. Albany, D. Sunwall. Number 4. Cordelia was the Dash daughter. A. Eldest, B. Youngest, C. Tallest, D. Shortest. Number 5. The king called Dash his joy. A. Goneril, B. Regan, C. Cordelia, D. Martina. Number 6. Cordelia was Dash with the flattery of her sister. A. Disgust, B. Disappointed, C. Hurt, D. Annoyed. Page number 34. Number 7. Cordelia was married to the king of Dash. A. Spain, B. Egypt, C. France, D. German. Number 8. Goneril and Regan treated the king Dash. A. Wisely, B. Soundly, C. Badly, D. Lovely. Number 9. Regan was imprisoned by her Dash. A. Father, B. Brother, C. Friend, D. Husband. Number 10. The forces of Goneril and Regan were Dash. A. Defeated, B. Destroyed, C. Victories, D. Captured. Number 11. Banish means Dash. A. Dismiss, B. Destroy, C. Curtail, D. Load. Correct answer. Number 1 3, number 2 Albany, number 3 Cornwall, number 4 Youngest, number 5 Cordelia, number 6 Disgusted, number 7 France, number 8 Badly, number 9 Dismiss, number 10 Victories, number 11 Dismiss. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 35. Poetry. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The Blades of Grass. The poem The Blades of Grass has been written by Dash, Lord Tennyson, Stephen Crane, Emily Dickinson, Robert Frost. Number 2. In the poem The Blades of Grass, Dash has been used: A. Symbol, B. Image, C. Personification, D. Metaphor. Number 3. In the poem The Blades of Grass, the setting is Dash: A. Heaven, B. Earth, C. Moon, D. Hell. Number 4. Oh my Lord, memory is Dash to me: A. Sharp, B. Sweet, C. Better, D. Dull. Number 5. Then all save one of the Dash blades: A. Big, B. Beautiful, C. Little, D. Colorful. Number 6. Begin angrily to relate the Dash of their lives: A. Details, B. Merits, C. Defects, D. Deeds. Number 7. For if I did good, Dash I know two of them: A. Deeds, B. Works, C. Planning, D. Advice. Number 8. The word angrily means Dash: A. Patiently, B. Impatiently, C. Sadly, D. Wisely. Page number 36. Number 9. The word better means Dash: pleasant, B. Good, C. Unpleasant, D. Very bad. Number 10. The word splendor means Dash: A. Glorious, B. Splendid, C. Excellent, D. Brilliance. Correct answer. Number 1 Stephen Crane, number 2 personifications, number 3 Heaven, number 4 better, number 5 little, number 6 merits, number 7 deeds, number 8 impatiently, number 9 unpleasant, number 10 brilliance. Number 2, A Dream of World. Number 1, the poem I Dream a World has been written by dash Langston Hughes, Tennyson, C. Robert Frost, D. Rudyard Kipling. Number 2, Where greed no longer saps the soul nor dash blights our day. A. Avarice, B. Greed, C. Sin, D. Lust. Number 3, Where love will dash the earth. A. Decorate, B. Bless, C. Beautify, D. Adore. Number 4, the message given by Langston Hughes in his poem I Dream a World is that of dash A. Beauty, B. War, C. Peace, D. Love. Number 5, where dash will hang its head. A. Misery, B. Poverty, C. Ugliness, D. wretchedness. Number 6, page number 37. Number 6, Langston Hughes compares joys with dash in the poem I Dream a World. A. Bird, B. Phantom, C. Pear, D. Jewel. Number 7, the word avarice means dash A. Greed, B. Lust, C. Corruption, D. Fraud. Number 8, the word bounties mean dash A. Miserness, B. Generosity, C. Stupidity, D. Foolishness. Number 9, the word wretchedness means dash A. Poverty, B. Wealth, C. Diseased, D. Problem. Correct answer. Number 1, Langston Hughes, B. Aware rise. Number 3, bless. Number 4, love. Number 5, wretchedness. Number 6, greed. Number 7, generosity. Number 9, poverty. Poem number 3, If. Number 1, the poem If has been written by A. Rudyard Kipling, B. Lord Tennyson, C. Robert Frost, D. Stephen Crane. Number 2, if you can trust yourself when all dash doubt you. A. Men, B. Women, C. People, D. Adults. Number 3, if you can meet with dash and disaster. A. Success, B. Triumph, C. Failure, D. Victory. Page number 38. Number 4, if you can bear to dash the truth you have spoken. A. Face, B. Say, C. Hear, D. Expose. Number 5, if you can force your dash and never and sinew. A. Heart, B. Mind, C. Ear, D. Eyes. Number 6, if you can fill the unforgiving dash. A. Minute, B. Hour, C. Month, D. Years. Number 7, the word impostors means dash A. Cheaters, B. Deceivers, C. Fraud, D. False. Number 8, the word knaves means dash A. Rogues, B. Robber, C. Cheat, D. Impostor. Number 9, the word breathes means A. Speak, B. Utter, C. Explain, D. Ask. Number 10, the word sinew means dash A. Muscles, B. Power, C. Weakness, D. Hardness. Correct answer. Number 1, Rudyard Kipling. Number 2, man. Number 3, triumph. Number 4, ear. Number 5, heart. Number 6, minute. Number 7, deceiver. Number 8, rogue. Number 9, utter. Number 10, muscle. Poem number 4, It Could Not Be Done. Number 1, the poem It Could Not Be Done has been written by dash A. Egergest, B. Stephen Crane, C. Langston Hughes, D. Milton. Page number 39. Number 2, somebody said that it could not be dash A. Finished. B. Done. C. Adopt. D. Solved. Number 3. He started to dash. A. Read. B. Write. C. Sing. D. Speak. Number 4. He took out his dash. A. Shirt. B. Coat. C. Glove. D. Paint. Number 5. There are thousands to dash failure. A. Tell. B. Foretell. C. Preferably. D. Write. Number 6. The dangers that dash to assail you. A. Sell. B. Wait. C. Speak. D. Cry. Number 7. The poem It Could Not Be Done describes a common attitude about dash. A. Hard word. B. Difficult task. C. Cowardliness. D. Boldness. Correct answer. Number 1. Is your guest. Number 2. Done. Number 3. Sing. Number 4. Quote. Number 5. Preferry. Number 6. Wait. Number 7. Difficult task. Poem number 5. The Schoolboy. Number 1. The People. The Schoolboy has been written by A. Egergest. B. William Blake. C. Keats. D. Shelley. Number 2. I love to rise in dash morn. A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Autumn. D. Spring. Page number 40. Number 3. Oh, it drives all dash away. A. Pleasure. B. Joys. C. Angrily. D. Happily. Number 4. Oh, then at times I dash sit. A. Drooping. B. Sadly. C. Angrily. D. Happily. Number 5. And forget is youthful. A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Autumn. D. Spring. Number 6. O father and mother, if birds are dash. A. Dropped. B. Destroyed. C. Nipped. D. Daunted. Number 7. The schoolboy appeals his parents to let him dash his youth. A. Enjoy. B. Use. C. Benefit. D. Joy. Correct answer. Number 1. William Blake. Number 2. Summer. Number 3. Joy. Number 4. Dropping. Number 5. Spring. Number 6. Nipped. Number 7. Enjoy. Poem number 6. Number 1. The poem Once Upon a Time has been written by dash. A. Rudyard Kipling. B. Gabriel Okara. C. Robert Frost. D. Rod Tennyson. Number 2. They used to shake hands with their dash. A. Hearts. B. Hands. C. Arms. D. Eyebrow. Number 3. For then I find dash shut on me. A. Rooms. B. Doors. C. Windows. D. Roads. Page number 41. Number 4. So I have learned many things dash. A. Son. B. Brother. C. Sister. D. Friend. Number 5. I have learned to laugh only with my dash. A. Face. B. Eyes. C. Teeth. D. Mouth. Number 6. I have learned to dash many faces. A. Change. B. Hide. C. Make. D. Wear. Number 7. I want to dash all these mutting things. A. Unlearn. B. Forget. C. Acquire. D. Remember. Number 8. The word portrait means dash. A. Reflection. B. Photograph. C. Shade. D. Ghost. Number 9. The word munting means A. Expressed. B. Unexpressed. C. Visible. D. Invisible. Number 9. The word good riddance means Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Page number 42. Section B. Paper marks 50. Attempt any 10 parts. Each part carries 5 marks. Question number 2. Choose number A. Question with short answer prose, poetry. B. Reference to the context. C. Paraphrase. Page number 43, chapter number 2, short notes, short answers. Chapter number 1, the farewell sermon. Question number 1, when and where did the Holy Prophet ﷺ deliver his last sermon? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ delivered his last sermon in the valley of Qurana. Question number 2, whom did the Holy Prophet ask to repeat the sermon sentence by sentence after him and why? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked Rabi bin Umayyah Abu Khalaf to repeat the sermons after him because he was known to leave a loud voice. Question number 3, state in your own words what did the Holy Prophet ﷺ say about the sincerity of the life and property of Muslim brethren. Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that the life and property of every Muslim is a sacred trust. Question number 4, what did the Holy Prophet ﷺ instruct the people with regard to their women? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ instructed to treat the women well and be kind to them, for they are your parents and committed helpers. Question number 5, what did the Holy Prophet ﷺ say about the superiority of one individual over another, what it depends upon? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that an Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab had any superiority over an Arab. A white has, page number 44, superiority over black, nor does a black have any superiority over a white except by piety and God action. Question number 6, what did he say about Khatm Nabuwat? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said that no prophet or apostle shall come after him and no new religion shall be born. Question number 7, what did the Holy Prophet ﷺ ask the people towards the end of the sermon? Answer, the Holy Prophet ﷺ asked, O people, have I faithfully delivered unto you my message? Question number 8, what was the significance of the verses recited by the Holy Prophet ﷺ? One tradition has added that Abu Bakr Sadiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu cried when he heard these verses. Why? Why did the Holy Prophet ﷺ say that they may not be amongst the people the year after? Answer, the verses recited by the Holy Prophet ﷺ had a great significance because these had completed the Quran. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu cried hearing the verses recited by the Holy Prophet ﷺ. He had known that the Holy Prophet ﷺ would leave them soon. The Holy Prophet ﷺ, I know not whether shall ever the amongst you again after his year, because my mission had been completed. Question number 9, there is only one clause about worshipping Allah. The rest are about the rights of men and women and how they should live in the society and their obligation with regard to one another. Why is there more emphasis as men in society? Answer, they emphasize on men in society in because Islam wants them led to peaceous life and follows the right path. If men and women are good and perform their rights and duties in the light of Islam, the society will automatically become good. There will be peace and justice in society. Question number 10. What do the religious scholars of today emphasize most often upon? What has it resulted in? Answer. The religious scholars emphasize mostly the clause about worshipping Allah. Chapter number 2. Jinnah Vizion of Pakistan. Question number 1. When and where did Mr. Jinnah delivered his speech? Answer. Muhammad Ali Jinnah delivered his speech on August 11th, 1947 in Karachi. Question number 2. What two functions of the Constituent Assembly did Muhammad Ali Jinnah refer to in the beginning of his speech? Answer. Muhammad Ali Jinnah referred to two main functions which the Constituent Assembly had to perform. The first was of forming the constitutions of Pakistan. The second was the functions as the federal legislative of Pakistan. Question number 3. What did he say about life first function of the assembly? Answer. He said that the first function of the assembly was to frame the future constitutions of Pakistan. Question number 4. What did he say about the second function? Answer. He said that the second function of the assembly was to work as federal legislature. Page number 46. Question number 5. What legislacy does Muhammad Ali Jinnah refer to in his speech? Answer. Muhammad Ali Jinnah referred the legislacy of nepotism, jabari, and any kind of influence in his speech. Question number 6. What are the Quaid-e-Azam's views about the division of India? Answer. Quaid-e-Azam said that much had been said against the divisions of India, but now that it has been accepted, it is the duty of every one of us to loyally abide by it and honorably act according to agreement which is now final and binding on all. Question number 7. What does he say about the minorities? Answer. He says that minorities in Pakistan are equal citizens of the state. They will enjoy full rights equal to the majority in Pakistan. Question number 8. What kind of freedom did Muhammad Ali Jinnah envision for the people of Pakistan? Answer. Muhammad Ali Jinnah envisions the religious freedom for the people of Pakistan. He said, you are free to go to your temples, you are free to go to your mosque, you are to any places or worship in this state of Pakistan.